Bobby James here. Day 27. I'm almost done. Day 27. I'm feeling amazing, powerful, and not like I've done without at all. I can't tell you how good this feels. I know I say that every day, but it's true. I'm just so full of energy and excitement and ready to take on the world. I just feel like I'm gonna explode. Day 27. I'm sad for 30 to come, but I'm not stopping. I'm not stopping at 30. I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna do our regimen the way we're planning it out, and we'll get it to you too, so you'll understand what we're doing. Right now, we're proving that this stuff is amazing. And we're proving it on me with a body that's been through everything, that's tried everything, that's done everything. And I'm feeling amazing, and I'm gonna keep going. So, Bobby James, 8 Wisdoms Daily, Ultimate Food Replacement. Ooh, we'll see you for day